Welcome back, everyone. It's me. And today we're going to do something different than normal. Today we're talking about snakes. So all over the world, there are thousands of different species of snakes. But only a small fraction of those are venomous enough to actually kill humans. They can be found in grassy areas, forests, and even near houses. They're responsible for the most snake bites in Australia, but they don't have the largest venom sacs, so they can't inject much venom into you at once. They have big fangs that fold flat, and this allows them to open their mouths really wide, meaning they can eat very large prey. They're mostly found in India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. They're named after the tiger stripes that run down their bodies. They have huge hoods that they can expand to scare predators. They also have very long fangs, and their venom is very powerful. It's found in Australia and is considered to be the most venomous snake in the world. Its venom is 10 times more toxic than the venom of a king cobra. Now, before you click off this video thinking we said we were going to talk about snakes, the blue-ringed octopus is actually technically a mollusk. It's a small octopus that's found in the Pacific Ocean. It's very venomous, and its bite can be deadly to humans. The blue-ringed octopus has a bite that's almost impossible to feel. Its venom is a neurotoxin, which means that it affects the nervous system. This can cause paralysis, difficulty breathing, and eventually death. There is no anti-venom for the bite of a blue-ringed octopus, and only 1,000 people are bitten every year. But of those 1,000 people, 30% of them pass away. This is why the blue-ringed octopus is the most dangerous animal on our list. Luckily, they don't attack humans very often. If they do, their venom can cause paralysis and bleeding, which can be fatal. Even a small amount of their venom can kill 10 adult humans. If you're bitten by one of these, it's important to seek medical attention right away. There's an anti-venom available, but it must be administered quickly. Their venom is mostly used to paralyze their prey, but it can also be deadly to humans. One bite from a king cobra can contain up to 400 milligrams of venom. That's enough to kill 10 adult humans. Even though they are so venomous, they don't attack humans very often. Usually only when they feel threatened. If you see one of these in the wild, it's probably best to leave it alone. These snakes are highly venomous and are responsible for many snakebite incidents in Australia. They're mostly brown or black, but they can also be green. Their color helps them camouflage into their surroundings. This way they can sneak up on their prey and bite them without being seen. They're known for their red, yellow, and black bands. This color pattern helps to warn predators that they are poisonous. Coral snakes have hollow fangs that they use to inject their venom into their prey. Their venom is neurotoxic, which means that it attacks the nervous system. This can cause paralysis and death. In the United States, coral snake bites are rare, but they can be deadly. There is an anti-venom available, but it must be administered quickly. They have hollow fangs that they use to inject their venom into their prey. Their venom is very strong and can kill humans. Death adders are responsible for many snake bites in Australia each year. Even though they are very dangerous, they're also very beautiful snakes. Many people keep them as pets, but they should only be handled by experts. They're mostly nocturnal, which means that they sleep during the day and hunt at night. They hunt fish, frogs, and mice. And occasionally, they even hunt other snakes. Tiger snakes are one of the few snakes that are capable of killing a crocodile. They usually only do this if they're being attacked by the crocodile. They're good swimmers and can even catch fish in rivers and streams. This is pretty unique because most snakes don't like water at all. They can also be found throughout the Middle East and in the southern parts of Russia. This snake can grow up to 4 feet long, which is really big compared to some of the other snakes on this list. And they have thick scales, which help protect them from predators. When they do get bitten, they can bleed profusely and might even go blind. However, their venom is very toxic, and several people die from its bite every year. These scales are made up of tiny hooks that point towards the tail end of the snake. They use this as a defense mechanism to catch predators off guard. If a predator tries to swallow the snake, the hooks will slash the throat of the predator, and the snake will be able to escape. They're responsible for hundreds of human deaths each year, mainly in India, China, and other parts of Southeast Asia. One thing that makes the saw-scaled viper especially dangerous is that their venom works fast. Sometimes the effects of the venom can be felt within 15 minutes of being bitten, and death can occur within an hour. Their venom is mostly used to subdue their prey, which consists mainly of rodents. If you see one of these, don't try to pick it up because it could bite you. But they usually only bite when they feel threatened. Even then, not many people get bitten by them. But with that being said, it's still important to know which snakes are dangerous and which ones aren't. So in today's video, we're going to tell you about the top 10 most dangerous snakes you need to know about. We'll go over their venom, their size, where they live, and basically everything else you need to know about these very scary snakes. And if you love snakes, or you just want to learn more about them, this is definitely the video for you. Number 10. Eastern Brown Snake. The Eastern Brown Snake is a very common snake in Australia. Number 9. Black Mamba. The Black Mamba is one of the most feared snakes in Africa and has the nickname tree snake. This is because it often climbs trees to escape predators. They also sometimes climb trees to ambush their prey. These snakes are capable of killing other snakes, including cobras. The Black Mamba is actually named after its black mouth. This is what makes it stand out from other cobras. The Black Mamba has a very potent venom and can spit it out. If a few drops land in your eye, it would feel like your whole body was on fire. Then you'd start to lose your vision. Eventually, if the pain doesn't kill you, the venom will spread through your body and eventually kill you. There is no anti-venom for the bite of a Black Mamba, which means that if you get bitten by one, you might just be out of luck. So if you ever come across one of these in the wild, make sure to run away as fast as possible. Number 8. Russell Viper. Russell Vipers are very scary looking snakes. Number 7. Saw-scaled Viper. Saw-scaled vipers are known for their distinctive saw-like scales along their tails. Number 6. Tiger snake. Tiger snakes can be found all around Australia and New Guinea. Number 5. King cobra. King cobras are very scary looking snakes. Number 4. Death adder. Death adders are found all over Australia and New Guinea. Number 3. Inland taipan. The inland taipan is a very scary snake. Number 2. Coral snake. Coral snakes are brightly colored snakes that are found in the Americas. Number 1. The blue-ringed octopus. If you think we missed any scary snakes, let us know in the comments below. As always, stay tuned for more awesome videos.